Binance launches Mingwen Square today's second spring of Bitcoin ecosystem coming. Which tokens worth early layout? FTT fell, became meme coin. Risks, opportunities coexist. What arbitrage opportunities FTT have? And the Bitcoin longs continue to weaken and fall. The US stock market has plummeted, hitting the highest decline in a year. Today's video recommends a few Shanzai coin wealth password, the future of Bitcoin. And macro data from the United States. This is the Bitcoin trading pair of OKX exchange. We can see that my video yesterday has been analyzed. I believe the price won't stay for a long time when it reaches 0.5. We observe this middle cross star phenomenon. Typical evening star, also known as evening star. If interested, click top right to watch tutorial video. The evening star usually appears at the end of an uptrend, but it appears in conjunction with a bearish candlestick. There will be a twilight star. It can be seen as a short-term top signal. So from the daily chart view, multiple parties are still very weak. What about Bitcoin? I think it's a recent state of depression. Re-examine 4 hours. What about the 4-hour level? Bulls below are also weak. Actually, the bears aren't very strong. Can you observe the trading volume of the short side? Actually, it's not high. How about the overall situation? On the macro level, what about it? The economy is not good. US stock market drop led to downturn in crypto market, includes Bitcoin. Mentioned in video again, yes. I think if you want to buy the bottom of Bitcoin, it is very likely to double bottom again. It's around $38,000. That spot, buddy, you can consider placing an order here. The recent market should be a bearish strategy because the overall volume performance is very weak. So the recent direction of contract trading, personal recommendation, is mainly open short because we can see from the daily level after Bitcoin rises to a new high, what happens. After 48,900 US dollars, what about the volume of this multi-party behind? Just begin to feel listless. Then you can consider this energy as the purchasing power that increased from various directions in the previous surge. Then it was a multi-turn empty market. Many parties. This rising market is a transition from long to short. It has been about 3 months. That many parties do need to take a break. The trend is reversing. After market rises and falls, what occurs? Trading direction must be redefined. Let's re-examine Ethereum situation. Actually, how about the overall Ethereum? It is very similar to Bitcoin. This is a backtest I newly drew. Interested people can take a screenshot. On Ethereum side too, what occurs after price trend rises to 0.68? Upward trend didn't persist. Bears still push down. What about position of 0.618? Ether faces resistance as it is the daily level before unbroken multiple daily lines. Position where it keeps falling after rising. Noteworthy as recent resistance level for Ethereum. 0.786 visible by looking up, around 2,500 USD, friends near previous peak contemplating in background. How much will the Ether coin drop? Then I personally would feel that Ether will retest. Test just dropped to 2,000 or 1,900, 1,800, it's easy. Copy bottom line or points with small amount of money, refer to it, trading direction mainly bearish. Informed on resistance, 0.618 near 2383. Try opening a position and the pin lead position on top, around 2437. Consider creating empty order. Batch construction of upper part 0.786. Also consider 25 and 20. Bitcoin and Ethereum fell consecutively. Binance launched plaintext Square today. Experienced old leak in plaintext. I'm thrilled. Any family stir plaintext in comments. Give me a thumbs up if so. The main concern for all is, will the text I hold increase? Today I will suggest some tokens for everyone, and I believe potential next rising plaintext buy Dragonhead before buying plaintext Audi. This token The previous episodes have mentioned I think around $48. Is it a short-term support level? What if you have heard and got on the bus with your buddy? This wave has about 30% profit. You can surely catch it. How about STX token? BTC Eco tokens. Then personally, I'd feel that when it's at a low point, you can consider Bybit. He said it's rising from the bottom. It's over 3 times, highly exaggerated. The next round of narration, the latest protocol, ARC20. Wait, record a video for everyone another day. Buy a pit first. Expected Koji to that. And what about this token bank? Recently, there have been quite a few callbacks. What about it? Is a plain text launch platform for Bitcoin. You can understand it as being a presence like Launchpad. What was the increase in the previous period? Also, it was very good 5 times because it was like this. It has infrastructure. Only projects with tangible products qualify. In the future market, potential for more growth. What about this bank token? I think you should consider it as well. Buy, because it's related to bank. The same logic, the projects it does are also similar to projects like Bitcoin's on-chain launchpad. I have shared and published it in the community before. FTT on this side dropped significantly by 21 points on the daily chart today. FTX acknowledges full compensation, but at the price of 22 years and Bitcoin 16,000, Solana $16. And give up restarting the FTX exchange. I would think that FTB will completely become a secret next. The reason for its recent sharp increase is that SBF frequently appears in court to combat lawsuits. What about this token? We've already made a profit and he's already run away. So interested. Join free one-click order change. Grasscoin can't be detached from global economy. How's the US stock market? S&P 500, Dow Jones, Nasdaq consecutive drop, biggest decline since last year. Reason can't be separated from last night's FOMC meeting. Last night's FOMC. Maintain rates unchanged. Severely hit markets' expectations of rate cut in March. That can be observed after the meeting last night. I believe the expectation of a rate cut in March is only about 35.5. US side hesitant to cut interest rates in market, unwilling to let go, no liquidity in market. Very likely to trigger a liquidity crisis in the United States banking crisis. And the domino effect, I know you're in a hurry, but don't rush. These 2 indicators are positive. May reverse the trend, as everyone knows I Lao Bao love to look at indicators, PCE. The core PCE excludes food and energy prices. What about these 2 indicators? All have already fallen to the Federal Reserve's target of 2% below. Strengthened. Reasons for central bank to possibly cut rates again. So what does that mean? Before next FOMC meeting comes. Still have a chance. That's all for today's video. Welcome all to use the video link below, register exchange. Thank you all for watching. Welcome to join. Bye bye.